Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are all well today. Today I am here to present a new topic to you. So let's start. Look at this whiteboard and hear to me properly. It is written here willing to eat soup. Willing to eat means eat soup. Now we will learn how to make sentence with willing to. Look at this first one. I am willing to work with you. I am willing to work with you. It means আমি তোমার সাথে কাজ করতে ইচ্ছুক। Then number 2, I am willing to play with you. আমি তোমার সাথে খেলতে ইচ্ছুক। 3, I am willing to go with you. আমি তোমার সাথে যেতে ইচ্ছুক। 4, I am willing to marry you. আমি তোমাকে বিয়ে করতে ইচ্ছুক। Number 5, I am willing to serve my country. আমি আমার দেশের সেবা করতে ইচ্ছুক। This way we can make many sentences with willing to. I think willing to is the interactive words. This was today's topic. See you again with a new topic. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you everyone.